Alrighty. So we were talking about ways to show patriotism. You can say the Pledge of Allegiance, you can fly the flag, celebrate a patriotic holiday. We can learn about our country's history. Our country has so much history too. Learn about, oh no, my pen is dying. Our country's history. There's so much to learn about. And really that's the way that I like learning about our country's history is by taking vacations and going to the places and learning that way. Learning in school and by a book and by a teacher talking to me, I was like, ugh, whatever. But when you go to the places and you see all these things and you read all these things and you just, I don't know, it gets me more excited about it. Another way is to love our country. Our country is a good country. Okay. So we should love our country and we should work together to protect it, to stand up for it, and to keep it the way that it should be, was. I don't know. I guess my personal thoughts were in that one, and I'm not trying to have personal thoughts, but we should love our country and show that we do. We can also sing a patriotic song. So, sing a patriotic song. There is the Star-Spangled Banner and the Pledge of Allegiance, but there's other patriotic songs as well. And while you finish writing this in your social studies notebook, I will play you one. I sang this song when I was in kindergarten for my kindergarten graduation. Well, maybe. What happened to it? It's loading. Hopefully it loads quickly. Okay, so I paused my video to give the song video a chance to upload, and it's just sitting there spinning. So I came back on to say, write this in your to write this in your social studies notebook and to study for your social studies test. I will send out, I know that you're watching this before, but I'm going to send out a study guide. And then tomorrow I'm going to try to set up a Kahoot so that way you can play a Kahoot to review. But your social studies test is going to be, I'm looking at it right now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 question test. And you guys got this. I promise. You guys got this. But can I just tell you, how can I make this bigger? Can I just tell you real quick?